Let's go! Hi guys, me again. Your what am I? I don't know what am I. I'm Balan's father for sure. So today, you seen my post a while ago. I've been craving for pad thai. So I was watching Duncan series in Craving a while ago, and it's kind of easy, and I have the recipe with me now. So recipe is chicken. I have chicken breast. I cut it into pieces like this. Then I have shrimps, no head. Then I have tofu. I have garlic. I got 2 eggs, kind of a lot there. Then I have spring onions. Then I have sprout. I have this for garnish later. Then I have oyster sauce, and very important in Thai dishes is fish sauce, because they are one of the major exporter of fish sauce across the globe. So then I have this rice noodle which I soak for over 2 hours in the water. So it's gonna be the oil already, so I'm ready. Let's try. This is my first time to cook this, so let's go. Tara, tingnan natin kung kaya natin magluto ng pad thai. Let's go. So guys, wala nang patumpit-tumpit pa. Bagsak na natin yung garlic. Okay. Bagsak natin yung garlic. And I need something. Isayin lang natin siya ng konti. Open this one. So now it's turning to brown. Let's put our chicken. Okay, so our chicken is and almost cooked. Now it's time to put our shrimp. And while we put the shrimp, we can also add the tofu. There we go. I think at this moment we can start adding the fish sauce a little bit. So we can add some taste to that. A little bit of oyster sauce. Just a little bit. And of course, while this is cooking, while all the juices are coming out, it's perfect time to add our noodles. Lusin na natin. So before you cook everything, it's time to add your eggs. Cook it a little bit. You're gonna add the eggs. Make sure it's kind of cooked. Before you mix it, make sure the egg is kind of cooked halfway through. There you go. Okay, give it a mix. Add the beets. Oh my god, pad thai, man. Pad thai. Nothing to add, nothing. Put some paprika if you need. Or if you want color, you can add some annatto oil, but me, I just want it that way. Oopsie. Oopsie. Oh my gosh, the smell, guys. Okay, it's done. So now, plating. Grab all the noodles using your thumb, and then give it a twist. There you go. Then put all the meat on top. Which is the nuts. here you go, guys. Pad Thai. A lot of sprout. Wow, look at that reaction.